Sick. Maya, pagod, panabon, kayong Delta fans. Welcome to Delta Cup 2024 awarding ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, before we start the awarding ceremony, let's have the message from the tournament commissioner. Let's welcome Mr. Leo Isaac.
Magandang hapon po, Pampanga. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta nyo sa Delta Cup. Mga taga-Lubao, congratulations po. Mga taga-Apalit, congratulations din po. Pareho po kayong kampiyon. Sa pinakita nyo, sinasabi ko, pareho kayong kampiyon. Pero isa lang ang pwedeng maging tunay na kampiyon, yung mananalo sa laro ngayon. May pakiusap po kami. Sana po intindihin yung mabuti itong pakiusap namin. Ganun na rin po, pakiusap ito ng ating mahal na gobernador, Governor Delta, sa mga supporters po ng parehong koponan, Lubao at Apalit. Okay po na mag-cheer. Okay po na i-encourage natin ang mga players natin na ibigay ang kanilang lahat, maglaro ng mahusay na basketball. Pero sana po, huwag po nating udyukin ang kalaban na magkaroon kayo ng mainitan na pagpapalitan ng pangangantyaw. Baka po hindi na makontrol ng security ang silakbo, ang init ng sitwasyon. Magkaroon po tayo na magulo. Isa lang po ang request ni Gov Delta, matapos ng maayos itong kampyonato na to. Kaya humihiling po kami sa inyo na habaan po natin ang pasensya natin, maintain po natin ang disiplina. Wala po sanang sitwasyon na magkakaroon tayo ng gulo. Kontrolin po natin ang sarili natin. Basketball po ito. Pare-pareho po kayo mga Kapampangan. Maski ako po. May dugong Kapampangan po ako. So, pakiusap po. Okay? It's okay to cheer. Let's cheer our team. Pero, let's not try to provoke our opponents. Maraming salamat po.
Dakal folks, salamat, our tournament commissioner, Mr. Leo Isaac. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to meet the elite members of the Medical Five. And to present the award for the Medical Five, we call on our Honorable Governor, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And of course, the MPBL 2023 MVP, the Pride of Pampanga, Justin Balti Baltazar. And the SLI Commissioner, our very own, ladies and gentlemen, Commissioner Rodney Santos. And of course, the tournament commissioner, Mr. Leo Isaac. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's meet the elite members of the Medical Five for the Delta Cup 2023. First, from Team Apalit I Love It. With an average score of 8.8 points per game, Isaac Dante. The elite members of the Mythical Five will be taking home 10,000 pesos cash from the provincial government of Pampanga through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Ladies and gentlemen, once again from Apalit I Love It, Isaac Dante. Also, the member of the Elite Mythical Five, ladies and gentlemen, from Team I Love San Simon, Andre Dungo. With an average score of 9.15 points per game. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, from I Love San Simon, Andre Dungo. And now also the member of the Elite Mythical Five from Angeles City Red Warriors, Kid Estalilia. With an average score of 11.66 points per game. Once again, from Angeles City Red Warriors, Kid Estalilia. Also, the member of the Mythical Five, from your Level Up Lubao, CJ Delvino. With an average score of 13.5 points per game. Once again, from Level Up Lubao, CJ Delvino. And also from Level Up Lubao, Renz de la Cruz. With an average score of 16 points per game. Once again from Level Up Lubao, Renz de la Cruz. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Mythical Five will be taking home 10,000 pesos from the provincial government of Pampanga through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your Delta Cup 2024 Mythical Five. Palakpakan po natin sila. The requests are Commissioner Rodney Santos, Multiple Tsar, and Tournament Commissioner Sir Leo Isaac. Please stay at the center court. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to meet the MVP of the 2023 Governor Dennis Delta Pineda Delta Cup. Ladies and gentlemen, your MVP, CJ Delvino.
Kapanapon mga kabalan, beside me is your season's MVP for the first ever Delta Cup 2024, CJ Delfino. CJ, first of all, congratulations. A well-deserved award for the Tasmanian Devil of the province of Pampanga. How are you feeling right now after all the criticisms you received, social media at kung saan pa man?
Sobrang saya po. Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda sa kanyang paligan binigay sa atin at sa mayor namin na Mayor Esme Pineda at kay Vice Mayor J. Montemayor at sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, Tagalubaw. At saka sa anak ko, nanonood ngayon, at saka sa ako, at saka mga pamilya ko, yun lang po.
CJ,
At saka sa mga coaches namin, at saka sa mga teammate ko. Yun lang.
CJ, this is the last day of the championship game. Ano ang mapapangako mo para sa mga Lubawenyo?
Gagawin namin lahat para sa inyo, Tagalubaw. Makuha lang namin yung champion na to. Yun lang po.
Lastly, CJ, lahat madaming sumusuporta sa'yo, hindi lamang para sa mga Tagalubaw. I will give you now the chance para magbigay ng mensahe para sa buong Pampanga.
Dakal pong salamat kay kayo nga kareng hanggang susuporta kareng bawat team po. Sana po mayari po masaya sa liga ngayon dito.
Once again, your season's MVP for the first ever Delta Cup 2024, CJ Delfino. Now I'm turning back to Alvin and Coach Ray.
the history for Philippine basketball continues here at the sophisticated culinary capital of the Philippines, the central side of the archipelago, the province of Pampanga. And this is the finals best of 3 series, game number 3 of your 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Coming to you live inside the full-capacity Brenzigao Convention Center in the city wherein the Christmas capital of the Philippines, San Fernando, Pampanga. Apalit I Love It registered a wholehearted 72-61 win against the mighty Level Up Lubao. Isang buong linggong may maiinit na labanan at yan ngayon ay matutuldukan sa kung sino man ang maghahari dito sa ating Delta Cup 2024 ngayong hapon. Look at that, the full capacity Brenzigao Convention Center. CJ Delfino, the numbers he provided for the whole tournament is phenomenal and looking to take home the championship back to Lubao. Not to mention that his character is a disaster to defend. He will match up against Christian Silvestre. 7 points, 11 rebounds. He delivered that yesterday and made his team, Apalit I Love It, to this do-or-die game. But can he make wonders for today and get the championship title back to Apalit Pampanga? Two tough teams who will remain the toughest. Our game at hand, Apalit I Love It kontra Level Up Lubao para sa ating do-or-die game. Itong ating best of 3 series of our finals for our Delta Cup 2024. Mayap agad panapon mga kabalan, Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with the CEO and President of Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Ray Alaw, and of course Alvin Tanyada. Boss Ray, magandang hapon.
Good afternoon sa lahat ng mga taga-Pampanga, lalong-lalo sa mga nanonood ng live sa FB, sa YouTube, mga taga-ibang bansa na talagang tumatawag pa sa atin, nag-message pa sa atin para manood ngayon. Ganun din, siyempre, happy tayo kasama natin si Coach. Coach, thank you. Pinagbigyan mo uli ang Sinag Liga Asia.
Siyempre, at magandang hapon din po sa inyong lahat mga kabalin at saka lahat ng nanonood sa atin again through all the platforms natin, Facebook and YouTube and even sa ating mga mainstream channels. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Excited na tayo dito dahil magtatapos na ang isang napaka-exciting season ng Delta Cup, and what way to better end it than to have a finals game 3. Win or go home for both squads.
At dahil nga mamaya makakasama natin dito para sa panig ng Apalit I Love It is Francine Capili reporting for them, and itong si MJ Raimundo para sa panig ng Level Up Lubao. But before anything else, matututukan niyo po itong Delta Cup 2024 on our different social media platforms. First on our Facebook at Pampanga PIO, and also to the YouTube channel of Pampanga at Pampanga_PIO, and to the official broadcast partner YouTube channel of Sinag of Delta Cup 2024 at Sinag Liga TV. And we're also live telecast on the digital TV at CLTV 36. Now, ito nga, Boss Ray and Alvin, tignan muna natin dito itong ating magiging game story para dito sa ating Best of 3 Series Finals Game number 3, the final showdown, Alvin.
Yes, final showdown for all the marbles dito. Game number 1, nanalo nga itong Lubao, 61-55. Pero again, nakabawi nga itong koponan ng Apalit to force a decider yesterday. So it will be a good matchup, the final showdown for all the marbles. Sino ang mag-uuwi ng kampyonato ng Delta Cup?
And of course, dahil dyan, Boss Ray, tignan din naman natin dito itong naging finals result na nila kahapon, or game number 2.
Siyempre, sa save the best for last, grabe yung ginawa ng Apalit. Biro mo, sa rebounds, 56 sila, 42 lang ang Lubao. Sa points naman, sa paint, 38 yung Apalit, 26 lang nakuha ng Lubao. Sa points from turnover naman, grabe yung ginawa ng Apalit. 29, coach, 15 lang yung Lubao. Fast break points, mas grabe uli ang ginawa ng Apalit. 21 against 8 lang ang Lubao. Kaya nakita naman natin na talagang kinuha nila yung game 2.
Yes, and you can see yung numbers nga na yan, ang laki ng bagay kasi inangat nga nitong Apalit yung laro nila coming from that game 1 loss dito sa Lubao. So, malaking bawi ito for Apalit. I love it.
And of course, wag na natin itong patagalin pa dahil alam ko na madami nang nag-aantay ng mga kabalan in our social media platforms. Coming up is the battle between Apalit I Love It kontra Level Up Lubao. And now I'm turning you over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid, for our Delta Cup starters of the game.
from the famous province of Insufficient Culinary Industry. Mayat pagat panapon kay ngayungan, tagalalawigan ng Kapampangan, probinsya ng Pampanga. Welcome to the Game 3 of the Best of 3 series of the Pampanga Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, Delta Cup 2023 Finals. We're coming to you live inside the Brand Sigaw Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and coverage partner Sinag Liga Asha. We're also live at Pampanga PIO every page and YouTube channel. We're also live on Top Sports, Blast TV, and CLTV 36. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for your Level Up Blue Ball. Forward number 2 from Santa Cruz, Memang Pangan. Also at forward number 8 from Santo Tomas, Franz de la Cruz. At center number 5 from San Roque, Vincent Sinker. Shooting guard number 22 from Concepcion, Mark Manala. And point guard from Santa Cruz, number 17, CJ Del Pino. Head coach for Level Up Lubao is James Allen de la Peña. Assistant coaches Bert Binuya, Vince Suma, Marty Ocampo, and Dong Regala. Your Level Up Blue Ball. And now let's meet the starters for your Apali Die Lover. Point guard number 8 from Barangay Paligi, Edmar Dizon. Also at guard number 23 from Barangay Baluco, Lenzel Garcia. At forward number 9 from Barangay Zucad, John Mirabel. Also at forward number 3 from Barangay Sampaloc, Yuri Maziba. And center number 28 from Barangay Zucad, Caleb Macapagal. Team Apalit, I Love It is led by head coach Shaldi Visita. Assistant coaches Edgar Pingol, Per Gardiner, Robert Ferreira, and Romel Outchenko. Your Apalit, I Love It. Game officials charged in action. Michael Galutera, John Panayat, and Erson Burns Izuga. This is the Delta Cup 2023 Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. We are one.
The starters for Apalit, I Love It, Ed Mordizon, Lendel Garcia, Khaled Macapagal, Kent Montalvo, Yuri Masibak, at para sa panig ng Level Up Lubao, Mark Manalang, CJ Delfino, Vincent Sinke, Manuel Pangan, and Francis de la Cruz, Penelope Wilhelmina, alongside with Boss Ray Alaw, Alvin Tanyada, and MJ Raimundo, Francine Capili on the sidelines para dito sa ating game number 3 of our best of 3 series.
Yung Coach Alvin, bakbakan na to.
Oo, sabi nga natin, this is for all the marbles. And dito makikita natin which team will execute better. Again, all yung lahat ng mga bagay, ng mga stats, everything, throw out the window na yan. This is for everything eh.
Yes, gaya nga na sinabi ko, bakbakan na to. Kung baka sa last game mo na to eh. Diba? Kaya kailangan ubuhos mo na lahat. 1,000% ng game mo yun.
And after that, 1,000% energy coming from the season's MVP, CJ Delfino. Ang lalim ng hugot niya doon, Boss Ray and Alvin.
And yun, ito kagad, CJ Delfino showing to everyone why he was named as season MVP. Hindi lang siya umi-score, he can orchestrate, he can be the leader of this squad, and he is yung lahat-lahat eh, no? And kasama nga niya, yung sa medical selection, kasama niya, nandun yung kanya kakampi si Franz de la Cruz. So, Ice Danting there, Andre Dungo and Kid Estalilla, kompleto sila doon.
eto, Mark Manalang delivered another 2 points. An easy basket for the side of Level Up Lubao. A struggle for the side of Papalik. Montalvo! Wow! It's just...
Umpisa pa lang, Pinolipi, bakbaka na.
Boss Ray and Alvin, yesterday, Kent Montalvo delivered a double-double performance right in the absence of Isaac Danting. And look at that, Kent Montalvo will drive. Nakakuha pa siya ng foul on that one.
Di ba siya ang best player natin, game 2? Kaya, coach, tatawagin talagang best player siya noon.
The question now, Boss Ray, Penelope, who will step up right now with the absence of Isaac Danting? Isaac Danting played in the first half yesterday. Now the question is, the entire game, sino magsa-step up?
Oo, grabe, kasi ang laking ambag ni Isaac Danding sa team niya na palit. Ngayon, wala siya. Kailangan mag-double effort lahat ng teammate niya.
Yes.
Ito, Manuel Pangan, Boss Ray and Alvin. Oh, that talent na Kapagan shows how great he is. Parang naririnig tayo eh. Parang sa tira niya na yun, he showcased us that this is his game. This is a ball game.
Sa lakas na sigaw, walang tao, coach. Parang ayoko na ulit magsalita kaya ng game 2.
Woo! Oh, we're not tied at 6, Boss Ray and Alvin.
Palitan, Pinolipi.
Fast pace tayo dito, Boss Ray and Alvin.
Parang alam mo yung laro dito, collegiate atmosphere. Parang ano tayo eh, puno-puno yung venue, hindi tayo magkarinigan talaga eh.
Grabe, coach. Kaya nga,
Ay, you know-
ang sabi ko nga nung game 2 kay Pinolipi saka kay Coach Pancho eh. Ang hirap magsalita, lalo na pagka ganito kaingay yung crowd mo.
You know, the record we had on our Facebook Live is 26,000. Now, we reach 20,000 in just a span of 3 minutes.
And ganyan talaga. Kapag Kapampangan basketball, all out support.
At ito, nakakuha ng foul dito si CJ Delfino. Offensive foul, call ng Delfino.
Ang maganda sa palit, kahit na tinawag na MVP kanina, nung nakita nilang nakaiga, tayo natin. Gano'n kay sport, mga Kapampangan.
Yes, oo. Mahal na mahal nilang basketball eh.
Siyempre, coach. Siyempre, nandiyan ang mahal natin, Governor Delta Pineda.
Right now, Dizon.
Lendel Garcia, back to Montalvo. Montalvo misses once again. You know, Alvin, Coach Ray, ikaw Alvin, matagal kang naupo dito sa Delta Cup ng elimination. Hindi ganyan ang laro ng isang Kent Montalvo, but entering the semifinals, he is playing a different Montalvo.
Yes, Kent Montalvo was more of a defensive kind of guy. He really plays somewhat like yung pan-depensa, pero ngayon umu-opensa na siya in the playoffs.
Coach Alvin, sabi nga ng director natin, ilapit daw natin yung mic kasi hindi na tayo marinig.
Hindi na tayo magkarinigan dito.
Dahil sa ingay ng crowd, sa ingay ng mga drums. Woo! Grabe. I love this game, Coach Alvin.
Talagang we love it here.
Going back here, 8-6 in favor of Level Up Lubao with 6 minutes and 14 seconds remaining. It's now almost 21,000 on our Facebook Live. 22,000. Oh, Manuel Pangan. You know, it's Vincent Zinquerader.
Ang ganda ng drop pass na yun, Coach Alvin.
Yes, the physicality there. Pero basketball physicality, that is why we love this game talaga. Nakikita natin, wala talagang gusto magbigay.
Hindi natawagan yung mga ganyang foul ngayon. Dahil lang po sa kanila yung mga official natin, naiikita nila lahat ng goal. Pag talagang hindi klaro sa kanila, walang foul, Pinolipi.
Yes,
Speaking of fouls, Franz de la Cruz has delivered an easy basket for Level Up Lubao. Lamang na dito ang anim ang Lubao sa kalugatan. Pangan, back to Delfino, back to Sinke. What a ball handling for Level Up Lubao, and it alarms Coach Zaldi Messina na patawag sa dito ng timeout. After that shot coming from Francis de la Cruz, Level Up Lubao is up, 12-6.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines. offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga.
Going back here at the remaining 5 minutes and 32 seconds sa full capacity Berenzega Convention Center. No, Coach Ray and Alvin going back here. Natawagan dito si na-warningan dito si CJ Delfino for faking a foul.
And magsistrict kasi yung mga opisyalis natin dito. Mga tawag na hindi natatawag before. Ngayon talagang lahat tatawagan dito. So,
Yes, actually nag-meeting kanina sa loob with Governor Pineda at dalawang mayor ng Apalit at Lubao, saka yung mga opisyal nila na lahat ng makita ng opisyal natin ngayon, pipituan nila, lalong-lalo na pagka, alam mo yung talagang kitang-kita na nasaktan yung player or yung mga flop ngayon, tatawagan nila kasi ayun ang reklamo ng mga ibang opisyal ng mga taga-Apalit.
As ito nga, Kent Montalvo, 2 out of 2 on that free throw. Well, that score now is 8-12, still in favor of Level Up Lubao. Just a 4-point lead for Apalit. Delfino with the basketball. Delfino! And there was a foul against the rising point guard of the province of Pampanga, Lendel Garcia.
yes, Lendel Garcia. Kanina pa yan, gigil na gigil maglaro kasi he was part of that Luwid Kapampangan squad. Pero dito gusto niyang ibuhos yung laro niya.
Wow, talaga, Coach?
Yes, he's part of that
He's
lineup.
our newly recruited player for Coach
Louis,
Jonathan Benedict Buwan. That's why I named him as the rising point guard of the province of Pampanga. But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa report niya dito sa Level Up Lubao. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Ben. The Heart Over Height season MVP CJ Delfino will continue to lead his team para tuluyan na makuha ang kampyonato. His performance yesterday is just a product of his sacrifices and determination. Para sa kanya, itutuloy lang daw niya ang mga kumpiyansa at hustle inside the court. Hindi na daw dapat sila mag-second thought sa ipapakita nila because this will be their last game for the Delta Cup 2024. At dagdag pa niya, yung pagiging Tasmanian Delvin niya daw, wala yun sa ipapakita niyang tunay na CJ Delfino. Balik sa inyo, Boss Ray, Pen and Alvin.
Thank you so much, MJ. Wala pa sa Tasmanian Devil na karakter ni CJ Delfino ang ipapakita niya ngayon. So, meron pang mas ilalakas ang isang CJ Delfino, Boss Ray and Alvin.
Mukhang meron pa nga ilalabas to. Kumaga, may ile-level up pa yung kanyang nilalaro all season long. And look at that.
As
Three-pointer.
another, leveled up talaga ang shot na yan kay CJ Delfino from beyond the arc.
Siyempre, Penelope, Coach Alvin, katatawag lang sa'yo ng MVP. So yung level up ng laro niya ngayon, I think dadagdagan niya 1,000%.
Yun ang importante dito kay CJ Delfino. Pero kailangan, yung level na yun, kailangan nasa utak niya, hindi niya masisira yung laro niya because mahirap pag nasira rin yung laro niya because of his overconfidence.
Of course, let's take a look at first here. CJ Delfino, just one step backwards. Step back lang ang katapat. And he knocks a triple for Level Up Lubao. Pero babawi itong si Edmar Dizon. This Christian Silvestre. But a traveling violation called on Silvestre.
Yun ang sinasabi ko, Coach, kay Coach Pancho nung kasama namin siya ni Penelope dito. Si CJ Delfino, 110%, magaling yung bata.
Yes.
Pero gaya nga ng sinabi mo, kailangan gamitin niya to.
Oo, yung...
Kasi yung system ng Lubao, nandyan na eh. Pero kailangan siya ngayon, lalong-lalo na last game to.
Yes, importante kasi talaga na mag-settle down din siya of how he plays because he is one of the best here in Pampanga.
As another ball, back-to-back, a 5-0 run coming from CJ Delfino for Level Up Lubao, no? 17-10, now a 7-point lead for Level Up Lubao. Itong ating season's MVP, but Ken Montalvo! No way for him na hindi makabawi.
Ayaw magpatalo ng best player ng game 2 sa
Yes.
MVP, Coach.
No Isaac Danting, no problem. Andiyan si Kent Montalvo.
And you know, even before the start of this tournament, no, talaga namang Kent Montalvo is always there for the Apalit I Love It basketball team.
Siguro kung ang anim yung may mythical selection, anim sila. Part yan si Kent Montalvo of that mythical selection. But again, he has been superb all season long defensively and now in the playoffs, and lalo na sa finals offensively.
You are exactly right on that one, Coach Alvin. Isa to, the Christian Silvestre. And you know, Coach Alvin and Boss Ray, di ba kahapon yesterday, Coach Pancho mentioned that Christian Silvestre deserved the best player of the game. That's why I really used him on my live shot earlier. Kasi nga, you know, kakaibang Christian Silvestre ang nakita ng lahat kahapon. You know, 7 points, 11 rebounds. What a rebound for Christian Silvestre. Hindi yon ang usual numbers ng isang Silvestre. But yesterday, kung may iba mang nag-step up for Apalit Pampanga, it's Christian Silvestre, Boss Ray and Alvin.
Actually, Coach, nabasabi nga ako ng correct kay Coach Pancho kasi kala ko siya ang best player. Pero grabe yung ginawa ni Montalvo.
But the problem right now is Christian Silvestre has 2 fouls early here in the first quarter. So, kailangan may mag-step up with his foul situation ngayon.
Tama, Coach. Kaya kung makikita mo, lahat nagtatrabaho. Walang baby-baby ngayon. Basketball to,
And
bakbakan
here,
tayo.
the Scotty Thompson of Apalit Pampanga just
Grabe.
delivered that basket drive. We're now tied at 17.
And you see his respect on Franz de la Cruz. Pagkatira niya, andun agad yung dikit ng depensa niya.
Yun ang maganda sa Apalit. Yun ang magandang adjustment ni Coach. Baba tayo, trabaho tayo. Hindi na puro pensa. Depensa mas mahalaga ngayon.
Yes, 40 minutes of basketball lang to. Mamaya na yung enjoy.
Montalvo with the basketball. Montalvo back to Yuri Masibak.
Kung papansinin mo yung Montalvo, Coach, pwedeng maglabas ng laro, pwedeng sa loob. Yun! Ganda na po sa laban.
Coming from the side of Apalit, I love it.
Of all the unlikeliest heroes, andyan, itong si Miguel to score inside, or John Mirabel to score inside. What a
Look at that,
bonus
Mirabel.
points to, bonus.
Yuri Masibak.
Grabe naman yung pasa na yun. Woo!
Napatawag dito naman ng timeout si Coach Allen de la Peña after that shot. That's why Apalit I love it is now up by 2, 19 to 17.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga.
Going back to the remaining 1 minute and 18 seconds of the first quarter, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the provincial government of Pampanga. Of course, through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, this inter-municipalities and cities basketball tournament is not possible without the help of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and the provincial government of Pampanga. As of course, we would like also to thank all the 21 participating teams, 21 cities and municipalities of the province of Pampanga through the efforts and suporta ng kanilang mga municipal mayors.
At ihabol pa natin ang 21,000 viewers natin dito. O 26,000 na ngayon. O biglang dumami.
Grabe, Coach. First quarter pa lang yan. Bakbakan sila, yung mga nanonood naman, bakbakan sa panonood doon.
Yes.
Kanya-kanyang sigaw, Apalit pa sila, lubaw ba sila?
Oo, hindi nga natin marinig yung mga pito ng mga referee. No? Dito.
Sean Lorico, a player for Hustle Rising Suns. He did not play earlier because dahil nga may pinaghahandaan silang laro dito.
Siyempre, kahit ako coach ng Luwig Pampanga, hindi ko gagamitin to. Siyempre, lahat yan mga taga-Pampangan. Taga-Kapampangan lahat yan. Siyempre, ang priority nila, yung ngayon.
Yun, yung mga lugar nila. Tapusin nyo muna yan. Then saka kayo bumalik sa amin.
John Lorico knocks that free throw. They're now up by 1, 30 seconds remaining. Dizon. Back to Montalvo. Montalvo is against Lorico. It's not uneven. Oh! That pass is too strong for Kent Montalvo. Kala niya siguro dito kasi takad niya yung pinapasahan niya eh. Boss Ray eh.
Hindi, papunta naman eh. Papunta naman sa kanilang mga fans, mga fans ng Apalit dito. But you can see that both squads, first quarter pa lang, showing intensity, really wanting to win the title.
Exactly right. With 7 seconds remaining. 20 to 19. Oh, Lorico misses. 2 seconds remaining. Montalvo to Dizon. Dizon. Take a look. Titignan ng ating mga referees if this is counted.
And dun sa tira na yun, hindi nila kasi tinignan mo na yung oras.
Yes.
So, for me, I think, let's see on the replay dito. Pero, it's very clear there. Yun na nasa kamay pa eh.
Wala, not count, Philippines.
Hindi kasi nakita na nila dito. But it's very clear, it will not count here. Pero sayang yung oportunidad na yun.
Umilaw na kasi doon yung ring eh, pero nasa kamay pa ni Edmar Dizon ang bola. That's why it's not counted at the end of the first quarter. 20 to 19 is our score in favor of Level Up Lubao. Kaya mga kabalan, tutok lamang po dahil magbabalik kami after the short break.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga.
Natalo namin sila nung eliminations nang wala si Isaac. Natalo namin sila kahapon noong wala si Isaac. Napatunayan namin na kaya naming talunin kahit wala si Isaac. At sabi sa akin ni Coach Messina, when I asked him how they will cope with the loss of their main man, Isaac Danting. At ika nga ni Coach, wala na rin silang ibang kailangan pang gawin kundi manalo at iuwi ang championship sa Apalit. Now I'm turning it over to you, Boss Ray, Alvin, and Pen.
Thank you so much, Francine. You know, exactly right. On the eliminations, nagtapat itong Apalit and Lubao. And the same thing happened yesterday. An 11-point lead ng elimination. At kahapon, natalo nila without Isaac Danting. Elimination, no Isaac Danting. Game 2 of the finals, no Isaac Danting. So, why not, diba, for Apalit, Pampanga, and for Coach Saldi, Messina, Boss Ray, and Alvin?
Yes, so yung malaking bagay dito, yung Isaac Danting factor. Yes, you said they won without Isaac Danting. But again, this is a different scenario. Game number 3, you need all your firepower here. The problem is no Isaac Danting. So let's see if they can win with Isaac Danting for the 3rd time in a row.
Exactly right, Alvin.
Correct ka doon, Coach Alvin, kasi yung halaga ng bata na yon, may opensa, may depensa, lalong-lalo na napaka-athletic ng bata eh, di ba? Alam naman natin na siyempre ngayon, ang coach si Coach Fido, maraming may tuturo at may dadagdag sa kanya na talent.
Bakit mo pa kakailanganin ng Isaac Danting eh? Kung parang kasing lakas din naman ni Danting tong si Dizon.
Yes, kaya niya kanina, yung tira nga niya, na-frustrate pa nga siya dahil niya hindi nag-count. But look at that, he made that shot.
Benji Gonzalez. Ito na naman, rebound na naman ni Edmar Dizon.
Minadali, Coach Alvin.
Let's take a good credit dito, Boss Ray and Alvin, dito kay Edmar Dizon, no? He scored a lot of points yesterday, especially the timely points na kailangan para sa kanya. At another timely shot.
Grabe yung Coach Alvin. Nakita mo ba yung atake doon?
Boss Ray and Alvin, not the tallest guy on the court. But
Yes.
kung maka-score, akala mo siya talaga pinakamalaki.
17 points yesterday for Edmar Dizon. But those numbers are very beneficial sa Apalit kasi nga Isaac Danting left after the first half wherein Isaac Danting was the leading scorer for Apalit in that first half.
Pero out of bounds, itong si JP maglalak.
Grabe yung rebound. Kaso nakatapak na sa line. So, Lubao ball. Grabe yung batang to.
Yes, Edmar Dizon there.
Coach, kung may MVP sa kabila, ano masasabi mo dyan sa bata na yan?
Eto, mukhang gusto niya patunayan. Gusto niya mag-finals MVP.
Why not, Coach?
You know, kung si Yuri Masibak ay ang Scotty Thompson, I compare this guy to the rising star or the star of the UAAP, JD Kagulangan.
Yes, yeah. JD Kagulangan, we all know that he's a pass first point guard. Pero when in times na kailangan mong pumuntos, yun ang ginagawa ni JD Kagulangan. And that is what Edmar Dizon is doing. Most especially dito sa finals.
Of course, nakita ko yan, Boss Ray, yung Edmar Dizon and how he play. Kapalitan niya ni Lendel Garcia. Talagang pass first sila eh. Pero ngayon, na parang kailangan na umiscore. He will score and he will also deliver for Apalit. Apalit, I love it.
Yung coach, ano sinabi? Atakihin mo na, kaya eh. Di ba, coach?
Tama.
Ikaw, nagko-coach ka.
Kasi kaya
Nakita mo yung
niya
bata
eh.
mo.
Kaya nga.
Kaya mo, gawin mo. Balata mo na.
Bigyan mo na ng kumpiyansa yung bata. Binigyan mo na ng kumpiyansa ng Game 2. Mas bigyan mo ng kumpiyansa here in Game 3.
Correct, coach. Kaya nakakatuwa yung coaching staff ng Apalit. Go lang daw, takbo lang, atakihin, pagkaya, paglibre, pakasatira.
And speaking of kaya, Boss Ray, and Alvin kaya din naman daw ni Danan yung ginagawa na yun ni Edmar Dizon. You know, Alan Danan, just 18 years old, that high, still a raw talent. Look at that, oh. He misses, kinuha niya for a putback at nakakuha pa siya doon ng foul after that. You know, etong si Alan Danan is a part of the juniors ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns and they were hailed as one of the champions sa ibang liga nila.
Yes, and ito si Danan taking advantage. Walang Kent Montalvo, walang Silvestre. Why not? Why not dominate the inside?
Narinig ka, coach. Binalig na kagad yung Silvestre.
Yun, oo.
And etong Christian Silvestre, Boss Ray, meron na itong dalawang foul. At nandito pa lang tayo sa 7 minutes and 17 seconds na ating ball game. Justin Cruz, that is too strong. Sean Lorico. Lorico to Delfino. Delfino to Gonzalez. Gonzalez for 3. Oh! Kenji Gonzalez, the 18-year-old guy, now sits for Parañaque Pelicans on 19 under at Sinag Liga Asa, Boss Ray.
Actually, yun ang kailangan nila eh. Kasi nung game 2 parang hindi ko siya nakita.
But you know, that guy has been consistent on his three-point shooting nung semifinals.
And Gonzalez needs to step up kasi nga matindi yung dinidepensa dito kay Franz de la Cruz. So they need a third guy to really be that third scorer. And that is this guy. You can see wide open 3.
Kenji Gonzalez, no hesitation whatsoever. And look at that emotion. Halata mo.
Ready ako eh. Bigay mo na. Ako lang bahala.
He's at the right spot, right time. Walang defender, no? Ito, babawi ata itong Apalit. But great defense coming from Sinke.
Ganda ng depensa ng Lubao ngayon, Coach Alvin.
Oo, umaangat yung depensa nila dito here in this half.
At tingnan mo kung bakit hindi gaganda ang depensa. Pinagsabay ang Sean Lorico at CJ Delfino. A combination, the dark horse of Level Up Lubao.
And both are defensive players at their own right and also offensive players.
Actually, Coach, ang ginawa ng Apalit nung game 2, nagdam siya, ghost ball siya. Ngayon naman, parang binabalik naman ng Lubao. Siyempre, nakita nila na, oy, nag-ghost ball, tayo naman ngayon. Ngayon, siyempre, tatapatan ng coach ng Apalit yan. Kaya, kabang-abang yung ginagawa ng both coaches.
The chess match, for both coaches. May importante yan, Boss Ray.
Oh! Importante ba? Mas importante daw yung tira na yan ni Edmar Dizon. You know, I can't count. I'm lost in counting. 8 points, 10 points now for Edmar Dizon.
I believe that's double figures already
And
dito.
galing lang yan lahat sa mga drives niya eh. Looking at that guy, I think he just stands 5'6", 5'7". I stand 5'8", and when that guy stands beside me, I'm much higher. But look at how he drives to the basket.
Grabe yung batang yun!
Sipag, tiyaga,
Height.
ay
Height, It's just height. Sabi daw ni Edmar Dizon. Coming from the steal, coming from that defense on the half court, now exactly driving to their basket. Tignan mo, Justin Cruz once again.
Madadala ka, Coach Alvin, sa kanya eh.
Oh, but the Tasmanian Devil answer. Pero naglalabas dito si CJ Delfino ng foul.
Oh, yun, technical. Faking a foul. Second infraction na kasi yan. Oh.
Na-warningan na kasi siya kaninang first quarter eh.
And dito masasabi natin, again, yung emosyon nito ni CJ Delfino, kailangan i-temper down niya. Kasi, again, pinag-uusapan natin, he's one of the best, if not the best young point guard right now here in Pampanga. But the problem is, his emotions, pag umangat, nasisira yung laro niya.
Tama ka doon, Coach. Para hindi bumaba yung laro niya, dapat relax lang siya. Dali niya yung galing niya sa basketball, huwag yung emosyon niya.
Alam mo, Coach Ryan Alvin, kahapon nung sinabi niya yun sa interview sa kanya ng isa sa ating mga courtside reporters, na wala naman ng, let's take a look first that, CJ Delfino, ang layo talaga, but the Tasmanian Devil himself is not that triple. And you know, going back sa sinasabi ko, sabi nga niya kahapon, wala naman na siyang dapat patunayan pa, pero napaka-importante ng championship title na to dahil ito ang unang pagkakataon na magcha-champion ang Lubao if in any case out of Coach Alan Trinidad era na 7 championships. Woo!
And that is how important it is para dito kay CJ Delfino to take home the title over to Lubao.
Siyempre, Coach, time niya ngayon eh. So, yun ang dapat niyang patunayan.
Yes.
4 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Pangan with a jumper. Pangan misses. Montalvo, but there's a steal. Pero bola daw ng Lubao.
Grabe yung mga official natin, Coach.
Oo. Kumbaga kung 50-50 yung 2020 yung vision nila, ngayon mas tumaas pa eh, no?
Tama ka doon, Coach. Open na naman.
Manalang misses.
Si Sylvester, Coach, ang sipag. Diba? Hindi siya makapuntos. Depensa siya, rebound siya.
Yung mga basketball na kaya niyang rebound din, kinukuha lang niya.
Pero Edmar Dizon na naman. Alvin and Boss Ray.
MVP ka? Okay, i-score din ako. Para sinabi nga ni Coach Alvin, ano gusto niya mangyari?
Siyempre, gusto niya mag-finals MVP. Bakit niya naman hindi? Isipin mo, sabi mo, JD Kagulangan, I see a PJ Simon here in the making. Ang ganda ng ginagawa niya.
At tingnan mo itong si Yuri Masibak.
Ganda ng pakpoka na yung Coach. Woo! Parang gusto ko na lang manood.
Parang gusto mo natanggal yung headset mo, Boss Ray.
Pero alam niyo to si Edmar Dizon. Sabi ko kanina parang PJ Simon. Pero another player that I can remember, former Pampanga player, Ronald Pascual. Ganyan maglaro si Ronald Pascual before for San Sebastian and also para sa Pampanga.
Parang pag kailangan mo siya, saka lang siya gagawa, Coach.
Yes, oo.
Delfino misses, but he was there on the rebound. De La Cruz, nakakuha siya ng foul. And it's Christian Silvestre's third personal foul.
Mabigat yan.
Kailangan siya sa loob, Coach, ha?
And mabigat kasi nga si Silvestre at Montalvo, yun yung 1-2 punch sa ilalim. So, when you bring out Silvestre, andyan yung mga big man naman ng Lubao to dominate the inside.
Grabe. 31-30, palitan na lang naman dito. 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Franchus. We're now tied at 31.
Hindi lacrosse cool na cool, no, Coach? Parang hindi finals.
Tahimik pero efficient sa scoring.
Sayang. Okay yung rebound, okay yung hustle, kaso nakatapak sa line, Coach.
Yuri Masibak. Sabi nga, di ba, Boss Ray, we named this guy as the Scotty Thompson of the province of Pampanga. Ganyan-ganyan lang kasi maglaro ang isang Scotty Thompson, eh, no?
Nakukuha ni Scotty sa sipag, timing, di ba, Coach Alvin?
Yes, so yung, sabi mo nga, Boss Ray, yung sipag, lahat yan, yun yung ginagawa ni Scotty before in perpetual, and inaral niya talaga yan for him to get the needed attention eh. Pero hindi lang yun yung gusto niya. Lahat yan para lang sa paglalaro talaga ng basketball.
Going back here, Francis running against Masibak. Francis with drive, traveling!
And they have stopped Franz de la Cruz dito sa laro na to. Hindi pa siya gumagawa ng maraming puntos dito.
Kahapon, napigilan na siya. On the second half, Boss Ray, wala nang masyadong na-score ang isang Francis de la Cruz.
So dapat hindi mangyari ngayon yun para sa Lubao. Kasi kailangan yung score niya.
8 points yesterday, tahimik
Usually,
eh.
nagpapaulan ng 3 points yan.
Yes, kaya nga kailangan tumulong ni Kenji Gonzalez dito sa team nila.
As a traveling violation called on Montalvo. Great defense showed by Level Up Lubao. Kinorner eh.
Grabe ang depensa coach ng Lubao.
One level up yung defense nila.
You know what, diba, Boss Ray, 29,000 viewers on our Facebook page.
Wow, 29,900. Papunta na ng 30,000 viewers.
Woo! Grabe, yesterday we just tallied 27,000, the biggest viewers we had in our Facebook page. And of course, I would like to take this opportunity that we are also live on the digital TV at CLTV 36, the official partner of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda sa paghahatid ng sports entertainment in the province of Pampanga.
Kita mo naman yung coach, kaya sabi mo lang, magde-30 na, ang lapit na, 100 na lang.
Oo, lapit na nga eh.
Triple from Manalang, no good. Delfino back to Manalang. CJ asks for the ball. No, jumper. Rebound by Montalvo. Recovery for Apalit. Masibak against 3. Oh! Look at that rejection.
Not in my house daw, Coach Alvin.
Access denied. Ayaw, Scotty Thompson ka? O ito, blanca para sa'yo.
Sabi niya, kung may Scotty Thompson, may Junmat
Look at
Pahardo.
that. Jordan Mariano coming off the bench for Level Up Lubao. Just rejected itong Scotty Thompson. Yuri Masibak. That's why time out on the floor. We're tied at 31.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Going back here at the remaining 1 minute and 12 seconds of our second quarter. 30,000 views on our Facebook page. Mayor Esme Pineda of Lubao, Pampanga on your screen. Together with the 47 barangay captains on his back and on his side. Nakasuporta dito para sa kanyang koponan. Level Up Lubao.
Ito, all-out support, di ba? From the province, from the municipality of Lubao. Ay, ito, Lubao na naman to.
Delfino!
Grabe, tipat yung coach!
He just did that in front of his very own coach, Dennis Pineda. But Lendel Garcia, that guy has been so phenomenal even the start of this tournament.
Sino ba naman ang hindi susuporta sa lugar mo kung ganyan kaganda pinapakitang laro, coach?
Yes, and very much. Itong parehas na kapunan, ayaw bumitaw.
Yes.
Dito sa first stop pa lang.
Kung taga-palit ako, pupunta ako dito, coach. Kung taga-lubaw ako, pupunta pa rin ako dito. Sa kanya na laro. Grabe yung mga ginagawa nila, coach.
The Delfino knocks that triple.
At napaturo pa siya kay Gov Delta.
Of course, Boss Ray and Alvin, alam naman natin na itong si CJ Delfino ay produkto ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Ang ganda ng depensa ng bata na yun.
And traveling nga yan. So, let's take a look at that. At tinan mo, CJ Delfino, all confidence.
No hesitation, just dribble.
And you take a look at that.
Binigay niya yun kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda at kay Coach Pedrick Di Matulak, ang isa sa mga coaches niya. 4 seconds remaining. Garcia for 3. There you have it. 3-point lead for Level Up Lubao at the end of the first half. 36-33 after that triple coming from CJ Delfino, the Tasmanian Devil, and a player that is very known for Pampanga Delta. Grabe ang pinapakita. Look at that. Sean Lorico kills that jumper from the left. Big it's a hustle ability, and look at that. Edmar Dizon stealing that ball. What a shot coming from Edmar Dizon. I named this guy JD Kagulangan. Look at that. CJ Delfino once again knocks every three-point shot at every corner, every side of the court. Dendel Garcia with the jumper. Facing off against the rising point guard and the 18-years-old Kenji Gonzalez. Look at that three-point shot coming from Gonzalez, the newly recruited player for Parañaque Pelicans on Sinag Liga Asia 19 under division, and that last shot coming from CJ Delfino gives credit to Governor Dennis Delta Pineda after that. 36-33 at the end of the first half in favor of Level Up Lubao. Kaya tutok lamang po mga kabalan dahil magbabalik po kami para sa ating game number 3 netong Apalit I Love It kontra Level Up Lubao para sa ating finals best of 3 series ng ating Delta Cup 2024.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Kapampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a Freeport zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday, But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya, kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament, hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot. You ready to run?
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a Freeport zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday, but also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday.
At nakatutok pa din kayo dito sa Delta Cup 2024 and this is the do or die game between Lubao versus Apalit, Pampanga. Bago natin balikan ang mainit at nakaka-excite na labanan ng dalawang koponan, kausapin muna natin ang dalawa sa nakasama sa ating Mythical 5 ngayong season ng Delta Cup 2024. Now I am with Andre Dungo of San Simon, Pampanga and Kid Estalilla from Angeles City, Pampanga. Now first of all, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. I'll start with you, Kid Estalilla. Now pwede mo ba sa amin i-share lahat ng mga experiences mo at journey mo all throughout the season of Delta Cup 2024?
Yun, yung naging exposure at saka malaking opportunity para makita sa mga taga Pampanga kung ano yung mga talento namin. At yun, nabigay din namin nakuha din namin yung kumpiyansa namin sa sarili. Yun lang.
Now, ano naman yung feeling na nakapasok at nakasama ka sa Mythical 5?
Siyempre, nagpapasalamat din ako sa Panginoon at binigyan niya din ako ng lakas. Tsaka kay Governor, binigyan niya kami din ng exposure tsaka lakas din ng loob.
Now, I'm giving you the opportunity para naman pasalamatan at batiin lahat ng sumuporta sa Angeles City.
Siyempre, doon sa mayor namin kay Carmelo Lasatin, sa coach namin kay Coach Bal, sa mga assistant coach, sa teammates ko sa Angeles City, sa family ko, Estalilla, Nisir family, tapos sa mga teammates ko, sa mga sumusuporta sa amin sa Angeles, Pampanga.
Now, dito naman tayo sa kabila. I am with Andre Dungo of San Simon, Pampanga. Now, Andre, despite of your busy schedule sa school at sa basketball, ano ba yung pwede mong i-advise sa mga batang nangangarap na gustong maging successful basketball player kagaya mo?
Una sa lahat, yung time management. Dapat kailangan mong i-balance yung studies and yung paglalaro ng basketball. Thank you.
Now, I'm giving you the opportunity para pasalamatan lahat ng sumuporta sa San Simon, Pampanga.
Sa mga taga San Simon sa amin, thank you sa pagsuporta nyo sa mga games namin. Thank you.
Now, once again, that is Andre Dungo of San Simon, Pampanga and Kid Estalilla of Angeles City, Pampanga. Balik sa inyo, Boss Ray, Alvin, and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ, and of course, congratulations, Andre Dungo and Kid Estalilla for placing themselves in the Mythical 5 at the end of the first half, 36-33, a 3-point lead for Level Up Lubao. Grabe ang pinakita ng parehong koponan dito dahil nga, mamaya nga, ito ating labanan na to, determine natin kung sino ba at talagang maghahari sa kauna-unahang Delta Cup 2024. But let's take a look first in our halftime highlights. Look at that, CJ Delfino just proving why he is the season's MVP of the first ever Delta Cup 2024. And look at that, Gracious de la Cruz. No hesitation on that drive against the rising point guard of Pampanga, Lendl Garcia. Look at that, Montalvo knocking that triple coming from the left wing. CJ Delfino once again. One-hand floater for Delfino is good, and that time, Masibak, the Scotty Thompson of Apalit, Pampanga just proving. And look at that, CJ Delfino, 3-point shot. The last point provided of Level Up Lubao. Yan ang dahilan kung bakit lamang sila dito ng tatlo at the end of the first half. 36-33 is our score at the end of the first half and our halftime statistic. Alvin.
Yes, you can see here that Apalit, I love it, has a better shooting percentage here, 44%. Even though pareha sila ng dami ng mga napasok na tira, 15 each. But you can see the rebounding numbers, both the same. Turnovers, mas marami nga lang sa Level Up Lubao. But look at the bench points. Yun yung importante dito, Ben and Boss Ray. Yung bench production dito, they need to have the ample bench support para mas umangat yung team nila. Hindi pwedeng puro yung starters lang.
And of course, tignan natin dito. Itong ating labanan nga na to, grabe, no? Pinakita ng parehong kurba. Almost the same stats, but of course, our leading scores of the halftime for Apalit. I love it. Edmar Dizon with 10, Lendl Garcia with 8, Kent Montalvo with 7, and JD Harlego with 4 at para sa panig ng Level Up Lubao. The season's MVP, Delfino with 15, Kenzie Gonzalez with 5, Manuel Pangan with 4, and Francis de la Cruz still with 3 points. Penelope Wilhelmina still alongside with Boss Ray Alao and Alvin Tanyada. And Francine Capili, MJ Raimundo on the sidelines. Grabe. Itong parehong ko pa rin na to, no, Boss Ray and Alvin.
Wala kang pipiliin sa dalawa parehas champion agad eh.
Oo, may hirapan talaga dito. But you can see here, Boss Ray and Pen, nakita natin dito, Edmar Dizon, 10 points. Malaking bagay yan because they need to, yung makakuha ng puntos dito and get 8 points out of yung nawawalang 8.8 points nito ni Isaac Dante. Kailangan mabalance dito sa buong team. And good thing that Edmar Dizon is again stepping up to the plate for this squad. But the problem now for Level Up Lubao, andyan yung CJ Delfino, but yung Franz de la Cruz still struggling here, only 3 points.
Yung pumunta nga ako sa office ni Gob ngayon dahil tinawag kami ni Mr. Rocky Chan, ang chairman natin, na yun nga, sabi niya, nag-struggle yung isang player ng Lubao. Pero grabe daw yung pinapakita nung CJ Delfino talaga. Talagang pang-MVP yung caliber niya ngayon.
Yes.
Yung isang bata mo, coach eh. Nag-usap siya ni Governor Pineda eh. Nagigigil na daw eh.
Mukhang gustong-gusto na maglaro ni Prince, ni More Prince. But yung importansya nito ni Franz de la Cruz, guys, yun yung kailangan mag-build up dito sa second half. Kasi pag hindi pa rin gumawa si Franz de la Cruz, mahihirapan to Level Up Lubao.
Correct, coach. Kaya kung ako sa kanya talagang dapat mag-focus siya ngayon, coach, kasi last game na nila to para makuha yung trofeo.
And ito nga, speaking of Buster and Alvin, nakakuha pa dito ng foul. CJ Delfino, the second personal foul of the ball game is against Lendel Garcia, the rising point guard
Siyempre,
of the province of Pampanga.
NLP, bago ang lahat. Dito Philippines, Managing Director, Mr. Miguelito Se, and President Vincent Licup. Happy watching po. Thank you po sa suporta. Panonood ngayon ng live.
Grabe. The owner, the managing officer of the tour, Philippine Managing Director Jose is watching this phenomenal ball game here in Pampanga. As I mentioned na earlier, this is not just a history for Kapampangan basketball, but a history for Philippine basketball, Boss Ray and Alvin.
Yes, and ayun na. And pinag-uusapan natin history. He needs to make history here. And that's Franz de la Cruz. Kasi pag wala talaga si Franz de la Cruz dito, mahirapan sila.
Narinig ka, coach. Narinig ka.
5-0 run coming from the two mythical 5 selection. CJ Delfino and Francis de la Cruz delivered that 5-0 run for Level Up Lubao.
Kailangan niya mag-deliver, coach. Kaya nga na pinag-usapan natin, hindi pwede puro CJ Delfino lang. Kailangan niya tulungan si CJ.
Take a look at that steal coming from CJ Delfino against Edmar Dizon. Here, Edmar Dizon back to Silvestre. A scramble on the basketball. Recovery for a pallet. Jumper again. That is the signature move of Lendel Garcia. A jumper all over the floor. He can make it work.
Second player in double figures ngayon, si Lendel Garcia with 10 points. But his playoffs, he is very important. Kaya nga, malaking bagay yung trust na binibigay sa kanya dito ng Abalit.
And you know, kaya nga, nakuha yan si Lendel Garcia ng Louis Juan Kapampangan eh.
Delfino na naman ang foul, Pinolipi.
Third, look at that. Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Actually, I can read his mouth. Tumawid doon si CJ Delfino. Sabi ni Gob, foul nga yun.
Siyempre, hindi ka makakalusod dyan kay Governor Pineda. Araw-araw, alam niya kung anong ginagawa ng mga isang player.
And dahil produkto niya yun eh, si CJ Delfino, isa yan sa mga talagang from raw player, talagang yung attitude ni CJ ngayon na maglaro, it's because of the guidance of Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, the 3-time best coach of the year for different professional league in the country.
Wow, coach. Grabe, no?
Simple lang naman ni Coach Gob. Pero isipin mo, nakakapagpa-champion ng mga teams dito sa Pampanga.
Puro taga-Kapampangan yung coach, ha? Ang laki ng bagay nung talaga ni Balti.
Dorico, back to Manuel Pangan. But there was a whistle. Grabe, no?
Buti na lang nag-whistle. Mabati ko na, happy birthday, boss. Baby James and shout out Alam Na Promotion sa Houston, Texas.
Oo.
Grabe yun.
Kung ating na rin ng happy birthday, batiin na rin natin. Happy birthday kay Direk Boyet.
And of course, happy birthday to Coach Aisel Santos na watching live at the United States of America dahil nagpa-birthday nga ni Coach Aisel. A much-deserved birthday break the coaching staff of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Ganda ng pasa na yun,
Wow!
coach. Bawi agad. Woo!
Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na Christian Silvestre, kung gaano siya katibay kahapon, dapat mas doblehin, triplehin niya yun ngayon. Oh, sayang lang yun for Lando Garcia.
Yan ang bakbakan. Wow.
All out, no? All out.
Woo! And dahil nga may foul, let's take this opportunity to thank, of course, once again, this Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament is presented by the provincial government of Pampanga through the beloved Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Siyempre, yan ang gusto-gusto ni Gob, di ba? Nalabanan. Bakbakan dito, bakbakan doon. Walang aayaw hanggat hindi pa tapos yung oras.
Siyempre, nakaupo si Governor Delta dito, nanonood. Hindi siya nakangiti, pero inside, he is very much happy with what is happening here sa probinsya ng Pampanga, lalo na sa sport na mahal niya.
Correct ka doon, coach. Actually, coach, sabi niya nga kanina, grabe yung ginawa natin dito sa Pampanga kasi pinakita daw niya na wala siyang kikilingan na mga mayor or kahit sino. Basta gusto niya magandang bakbakan, magandang labanan para sa niyang Pampanga.
Yes, oo.
And totoo naman yun talaga, ano, like, yesterday nga, di ba, after being Isaac Danting being thrown out, of course, talaga namang the crowd goes wild. But of course, dahil sa tulong ng mga security na nilagay niya dito, we are all kept safe here inside the Burendiga Convention Center after that heated moment, no? Talagang grabe yung suporta na pinapakita ni Cobb Delta to the Philippine basketball. And etong mga batak to kasi, eto yung future ng Philippine basketball
Yan, kailangan talaga keep na mga referees natin yung composure ng mga bata. Andyan, paikot-ikot, pero there you go.
Mayor Jun Catangco of Apalit, Pampanga on your screens.
Kita mo, nakatayo na si Mayor, no? Napapatayo na siya dito.
Sabi nga ni Governor Delta Pineda na wala siya sa mga tao sa labas dahil na napakarami. Kaya naglagay siya ng malaking LED doon para mapanood sa mga Kapampangan yung bakbakan niya dito sa loob.
Grabe. Kasi nga, hindi na nga makapasok yung mga tao dito sa loob, Boss Ray
Yes.
Jumper, Yuri Masiba! Tied this ball game at 43. 6 minutes and 9 seconds remaining.
Happy watching kay Coach Gilbert Malabanan ng Lyceum. First MVP ng Sinag Asia. Lakas 40.
Coach Gilbert, happy watching po. You know, Coach Gilbert, parehas kaming taga San Pedro, Boss Ray.
Wow! Perpetualite.
Yes. Ayan na! Nagwawala na yung mga crowds.
And we should expect that, guys, na yung crowd mas mag-iingay habang tumatagal tong laro kasi third quarter pa lang to. Paano pa kaya mamaya fourth quarter?
Correct. Kaya nga, Coach, mga taga-Pabli, Coach, yung mga taga-Pabli na to, organization to sa USA, including sponsor nila, mga volunteers nila, na talagang tumutulong kay Mr. Quintana, Edmond and Eric Quintana, Coach.
Alam mo, Alvin, kapag kasama talaga natin si Boss Ray, yung mga nanonood taga-iba't ibang bansa.
Oo. Siyempre, happy sila kasi excited na sila na dumating dito sa July sa Philippines para makalaban yung mga bata ni Governor Pineda.
Nakikita nila kung gaano ang suporta ng Philippine basketball sa, dito at knowing na mag-host itong Pampanga for our upcoming Junior World Showcase, Boss Ray. They are very much excited to play in the crowd like this.
And yun, tulad yan, yung crowd natin, sobra-sobra because of that.
Sino foul? Mukhang apat na to. Tatlo, apat.
Pangatlo. Hindi si Silvestre na tawagan doon. But sabi natin kanina, this guy needs to explode. And he has been doing now that. 5 points already here for Franz de la Cruz.
Kailangan siya sa loob, Coach.
Recovery for Apalit. Nakakuha pa ng foul doon si Yuri Masiba.
De la Cruz.
Level up Lubao, still up by 2.
Isa rin-
Lendl Garcia with the basketball.
Isa rin yan sa kailangan, Ben. Si De La Cruz.
Exactly right. Alam mo ba, sir, I was like so shocked on sa pinakita ni Franz De La Cruz kahapon. I don't know if he's still handling the pressure knowing that he's still young. But, you know, he has been scoreless yesterday. Up to now, we're still at the third quarter, Alvin.
Yes, and again, isa siya doon sa mga players na nire-respeto tulad nila Art Roque, na Carlo Ferreras, because they know that this guy is a scorer.
Scarlett Macapagal ties this ball game once again. Manala.
Pinilit, coach, pinilit.
Right, goes to the hands of Khaled Macapagal. Macapagal will drive. He misses. Ed Martinez will get
Grabe,
the
palo.
touchdown.
Wala na akong masabi dito kay Edmar Dizon. He does the rebounding, he does the garbage points, at yun, nadadala niya ngayon. Ito ko na nakapalit.
Baliktad yung nangyari, coach. Siya nag-follow up, ibig yung big man niya.
And you know, Boss Ray, parang gusto kong makita itong isang Khaled Macapagal at isang Edmar Dizon sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Wow, maganda yan.
I think there was, you know, to all of the people watching in our Facebook Live, for sure, you know, we have 3 teams, 3 Kapampangan teams at Sinag Liga Asia. Hustle Rising Sun, Fluid 1 Kapampangan, and etong Pampanga Delta. And hindi na ako magugulat kung makikita ko ang isang Edmar Dizon na nagsusuot ng kahit anuman sa 3 team na yun.
Oh, Edmar Dizon, tahimik all season long, but right now, when you call on Edmar Dizon in the playoffs, he will definitely contribute.
Ang maganda sa batang to, laro lang siya, walang kayabang-yabang, makashoot siya, baba, depensa uli. Pag hindi naman siya nakashoot, pawi na lang ako sa depensa. Ganun lang siya kasimple.
Grabe. CJ Delfino on your screens. Nagpapahinga muna dito. Ang ating season's MVP. Lendl Garcia. Back to Kent Montalvo. Montalvo to Masibak. Oh! Almost a miss. That was a struggle for them, but Franz De La Cruz. No triple. But he delivers that directly to the basket.
Double figures now for Franz De La Cruz. After only scoring 3 points in the first half, 7 dito sa second half. So, nakukuha na niya yung rhythm niya.
Montalvo misses. Lendl Garcia with the rebound. Edmar Dizon was there. Recovery for a pilot. Nagmadali doon ang Lubao.
Grabe ang bagsakan sa floor, coach, pero tuloy pa rin.
And good defense there by Kenji
Traveling
Gonzalez.
violation called on Yuri Masibak. We're still tied at 47 with 2 minutes and 58 seconds remaining.
Susundan ko lang, coach. Rafi Quintana, Nelly Ocampo, Eric and Pia Quintana, Ian Encreo, Pumbalya, Edwin Enrique Calde, Lawrence Borneo, Egerdon, coaches Rafi, Bembem, Scott and Tina ng New York.
Yon. Yun yung mga...
Yun yung mga bigatin na mga kaibigan ni Boss Ray na nanonood pag siya yung kasama natin dito sa panel.
Grabe, nakakatawa sila, coach, ha? Kahit na madaling araw doon, nanonood.
walang oras-oras dyan.
Actually, kaya nga kanina napabati din ako nga dahil birthday nga ni Coach Aisel, nanonood din siya ngayon sa US eh.
Parang ano, mga taong nanonood ng live, parang, alam mo yun, nandito sila sa loob ng arena. Ramdam na ramdam nila, coach.
Montalvo for 3. Short. Rebound na Macapagal, but there was a foul once again.
Foul talaga, coach, di ba?
Yeah, that's very clear.
It's on Carolino.
Maganda yung pwesto kasi nito ni Macapagal sa loob. Sa kanya bumagsak yung bola. So, inangat na niya yung bola para maka-shoot.
Grabe, coach. Ito, coach, mga tumulong daw. Kay na Boss Edmond, Kabayan Cargo Movers, Rowell Transportation, Phenom USA, Stitch It, Calle Restaurant. Grabe, meron pang King Gids Tech. Ibang klase, coach.
Ang dami sumusuporta talaga. Yan yung mga fans na tumutulong, hindi para sa pagmamahal sa basketball talaga, no? Hindi iniisip yung mga para sumikat sila. It's all for the love of the game.
Yes. Parang si Governor Pineda. Wala sa kanya yung gagastusin niya. Ang mahalaga sa kanya, yung mga batang to, mapunta sa mga pangarap nila, sa mga goal nila, na maging pro.
Macapagal misses the first free throw. Here, recovery for a pallet. Working dito si Justin Cruz together with Edmore Dizon, Yuri Masibang, Ken Montalvo, and Khaled Makapagal for a pallet. Makapagal! Sayang lang yun. Justin Cruz! Ang talinong bata.
Mag-isa lang siya noon, coach. Mag-isa lang siya.
Na-cover siya doon nitong dalawang lubaw. So, ginawa niya, hinagi siya. Take a look at that replay once again. Cruz was there, tatlo yan, apat. Ilabas niya, andun yung depensa pa rin. Sabi niya, kailangan ko muna ilabas to.
Tibay ng bata na yun.
Lubao basketball. Dahil
Grabe.
natawagan ng traveling doon. Ito si Justin Cruz.
Yeah, that's a clear foul.
Foul against Edmore Dizon. 49-47, we're still up. Dahil dito, of course, special thanks to Abet Gidaben, Yoyoy Villamin, Roel Gomez, Glenn Yap, Lenny Reyes, Freddy Abuda, Richard Bugnot, and Henry Ong.
Grabe, mga ex-pro to,
Oh,
coach.
ex-pro yung mga yan eh. Isipin mo yan, Abet Gidaben, former PBA MVP.
Bakit ganon? Parang hindi ko na kilala. Parang umiiba na naman yung iyo natin dito ah.
Grabe yun. Tira mo, nakasuporta sila sa game na to. Wow, thank you, PBA legend.
Mga legends natin. Mga nakasama mo yan, no, Boss Ray?
Oo,
You know, Boss
grabe.
Ray, dahil dyan, the PBA legends are watching. Of course, this is the future of the Philippine basketball. Itong mga batang to na naglalaro sa harapan natin ngayon eh. No wonder one of them wears the jersey of one of the PBA teams of the other professional leagues. And malay mo, they wear the jersey of the Gilas Filipinas like Justin Baltazar.
Yun yan.
It's not impossible with, of course, dahil suportado sila ng kaisa-isang gobernador ng probinsya ng Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
All-out support talaga yung probinsya ng Pampanga. So, ganyan talaga yung pagmamahal nila sa laro ng basketball dito. And you said the past, we talked about the past, the present. Kanina kasama natin si Prince Alao. He's a present player right now in the collegiate track. Siyempre, proud father sa Boss Ray. And then the future is right now here in front of us.
Nakakatawa talaga yung mga bata na to. Alam mo bakit? Kung titingnan mo sila, wala silang pakialam. Basta sila maglalaro lang. Kahit ganito karami yung crowd, kahit maingay. Hanggat hindi pumipita yung referee, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung mga bata na to. Kasi gusto nilang ipakita sa mga scout na eto kami dito sa Pampanga.
They started off the season of the Delta Cup na wala masyadong tao, naglalaro sila dito. Now they are playing in front of a jam-packed crowd dito sa Brenzigiao.
Oh, Sylvester misses. Recovery for Lubao. They're now up by 4. So far, the biggest lead of the ball game, huh?
Yes, yun yung pinakamalaki. But no, the biggest lead was at 7. Kanina, 17-10. Pero let's see if they can make that 7 now.
Parang naririnig tayo ni Sean Lorico.
Narinig ka 7 points, coach?
Woo! Grabe. You know, I cannot give this guy any more credit dahil grabe din. Let's give a credit dito for Coach J.R. De La Cruz of the Hudson Rising Suns. Binild niya itong si Sean Lorico and now he's the captain for the Hudson Rising Suns 19 under in our Sinagliga Asia born 2004.
Wow. Wala ka na masasabi sa mga player na to, coach. Talagang laban kung laban. Hanggat may natitirang oras, pukpukan tayo.
Sigurado, very proud si Coach J.R. De La Cruz dito kay Lorico dahil impressive yung buong season din niya dito eh.
Grabe, nanonood si General Lee. Ronald Lee, thank you po, General. Saka si Eric Damian, the hook shot. Boss Irvin Bernardo of True Religion. Salamat po sa suporta. Governor Jose Enrique Miraflores o Paklan. Grabe naman yun, coach.
Grabe naman yung mga nararating mo, Boss Ray. Pag ikaw talaga kasama namin, kanina nasa US tayo. Tapos ngayon naman nasa Aklan. Ito naman, pumunta tayo sa Binyan. Vice Mayor Joel Alonte dahil sa Binyan, may bahay din kami sa Binyan.
Wow! Congrats, Vice. Mayor Joel Alonte.
54-49.
Siyempre, Pen, hindi papatalo si Mayor. Di siya natibidad of Malolos, Bulacan. Ninong Dennis Bida Ignacio, thank you po sa panonood ng live. Grabe naman yun.
And ito naman, sagarin na natin. Pumunta na tayo ng San Antonio, Quezon Mayor Eric Wagan. Happy watching po. And of course, let's give a shoutout din para dito sa youngest coach of the Philippine basketball, Coach Ernest Alao of Leap Basketball, the head coach netong Leap Basketball Philippines, Coach Kim De Pedro and Coach Bernard De Pedro. 9 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. Baba sa tatlo ulit ang kalamangan ng Lubao.
Ayaw magpatalo ng kapalit. Laban kung laban, Ben.
Grabe, boss Ray. Ito nga, 54-51 at the end of the third quarter. What a run for both teams. Lendel Garcia to Edmar Dizon for 3. Grabe ang pinakita nito ni Edmar Dizon. Look at that steal coming from the Tasmanian Devils, CJ Delfino. Coming from the steal on the half court, the drive directly to the basket, and Christian Silvestre back to Lendel Garcia with the jumper from the free throw line rather. Look at that. Franz De La Cruz. No hesitation and whatsoever. That's why 3-point lead for Level Up Lubao at the end of the third quarter. Tutok lamang po mga kabalan dahil magbabalik kami after this short break of your Level Up Lubao and Apalit I Love It, fourth and final quarter.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Going back here dito, outside crowd audience in Brenzigao Convention Center. Grabe, tignan mo, nanonood sila. Doon yan sa gilid ng ating OB van. Grabe itong mga tao dito sa labas ng Brenzigao. Nakaupo na, di ba tingnan mo, nakaupo na sila sa sahig. Ganyan ka-supportive ang mga kapampangan itong mga kabalan na to. Kaya nga po, it's already night time. Maya paabak to sa lahat ng mga kabalan na nakatutok, hindi lamang nga sa ating live, but to all of the people inside and outside the Brenzigao Convention Center.
Kahapon niya daw, wala pa yung LED monitor, LED screen na yan. Dahil nakita ni Gov Delta na yung mga tao doon gustong-gusto pumasok sa loob, nahihirapan, nagpa-set up siya doon ng LED sa labas.
Grabe. Gov, maraming po salamat. Biro mo, nakita ba ni Gov yung ganon? Nilagyan niya ng LED sa labas para sa mga mamamayan ng Pampanga.
Nice steal from Kenji Gonzalez.
Grabe yun. Nakita mo na naman yung rebound ng bata na to.
Nice one, CJ Delfino. Oh! What an assist coming from CJ Delfino! This guy has been so phenomenal!
What about my MVP?
Binigyan niya ng kumpiyansa si Franz De La Cruz kasi nga hindi pa ganun kaangat yung scoring niya. Ito, para sa'yo, brother.
Kailangan ng bata yun.
Silvestre Tumuntalvo.
Ganda naman nun.
Oh! Rebound by Zita. 8 minutes and 54 seconds remaining.
Parang nagulat siya sa pasa na yun. Ben.
CJ Delfino.
Nanonood din siyempre mga taga-Antipolo Subdivision. Kanonin ko pa ako Manila FCAC Batch 92 of Baybay Leyte. Santa Cruz Chairman, develop Baybay Leyte.
Grabe, Boss Ray. Pagbati mo yun. Talagang nagpakita ang gilas itong Level Up Lubao. Look at that, Mayor S.P. Pineda celebrating every point na ginagawa dito ng Level Up Lubao. And of course, I would like to take this chance. Sabi ng mommy ko, nag-message sa akin, naka-TV pa daw sila manood.
Wow! Happy watching po. Grabe, no, Coach?
Dami nanonood talaga sa atin. Oh, again, Facebook pa lang, 30,000. Paano pa sa YouTube? Paano pa sa digital channel?
Grabe. 58-51. Apalit misses another possession over there.
Siyempre, yun, nakita mo ang banggaan nila De La Cruz.
Talagang dyan ang respeto ng Apalit kay De La Cruz. No? Tao nila itong depensa kay Franz De La Cruz.
Sobra, Coach. Tama ka doon. Siyempre, parang SLA All-Star Legend yan. Captain Alvin Patrimonio from the Slasher Roti Santos. Gender Giant DJ Pyle. Negro Slasher Tisoy Jan Periols. Happy watching po.
Nabalik na naman sa Lubao ang possession. Another 3-point shot. A lot of attempt for Lubao. But here's a recovery for Apalit. Dizon against Kenji Gonzalez.
Grabe, block ba yun?
18-year-old guy. And he just produced a projection like that.
Grabe!
At tama yung ginagawa dito na Apalit. Settle it down muna.
De La Cruz with the rebound. De La Cruz against Montalvo.
And look at the hustle of Franz De La Cruz. Nagsastruggle ka, pero hinahabol mo pa rin yung bola.
Ibang klaseng bata to. Hindi nakashoot, rebound. Kahit sa kinukulit na siya, trabaho pa rin, coach.
Oh, it's counted. Dahil tumama sa ring eh. It bounces the board. So, nung nakuha yung rebound na yon, there's an opportunity for Lubao. It's basket count.
And yung coaches, hindi nagreklamo nga naman kasi tumama na nga sa ring. Let's
It
take a look.
bounces out after that. Let's take a look at that. CJ Delfino back to Franz De La Cruz.
Woo! Ang problema ng coach, hanggat hindi tumitigil, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Oh, walang prito eh. So, we continue with the action. Let's take a look at that.
Ito Zita misses.
Tuloy lang.
Tumama na kasi after that. Kaya nung nakita ng replay, wala nang pagbabago. That's why a timeout for Coach Zaldi Messina. Lubao is up by 9, 60 to 51.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Going back here at the remaining 6 minutes and 28 seconds of our Delta Cup 2024, not just our fourth and final quarter, Boss Ray and Alvin.
Grabe. Grabe, ipapakita ng Gonzales, Pen.
Boss Ray, para kasing narinig niya kanina si Alvin, kasi sabi niyo nga ni Alvin kanina dapat, di ba? Etong Kenji Gonzalez, he has been quiet dito sa ating finals, best of 3 series. Pero Boss Ray, kung mas nasubaybayan mo yung batang yan, grabe magpaulan ng tres yan. As nagpaulan naman ng tres ngayon, etong si Edmar Dizon.
Coach Alvin, grabe yun.
That was a dagger 3 mula dito kay Edmar Dizon. And Apalit, I love it, hindi basta-basta kumakawala dito.
Laban lang, hanggang tayo oras pa. Sabi ng mga taga-Apalit, coach.
It could have been an impossible shot for CJ Delfino, but he just proved why he is the season's MVP.
Mano-imano sila ni Edmar Dizon doon.
Wala ka na magagawa doon, coach. Bilanggana siya. Nakuha niya pa rin.
Grabe pa yung depensa na yun ni CJ. Now the biggest lead of the ball game is 10 points.
Mano-imano. Ang magandang ginagawa ng dalawang gwardiya na to.
Look at that, Kenji Gonzalez and Kent Montalvo. Naglaban sa rebound na yan, pero nanaig doon si Gonzalez.
Mukhang nagkamali yung Apalit sa focus. Nakalakay din ako sila, pero ang nagtatrabaho yung Gonzales sa kayong MVP.
Delfino for 3. Rebound by Makapagal. Masibak. Masibak to Lendel Garcia. Lendel back to Kent Montalvo. Montalvo with the basket. No. De La Cruz with the basketball. Back to Vincent Sinque. CJ Delfino.
Ayun ang maganda sa Delfino. Nag-relax. Diba, coach? Gaya na sinabi mo kanina, mag-relax lang siya. Lalabas yung laro niya.
Branchos. Back to Pangan. Back to the MVP. MVP air ball.
Ayos lang, sabi niya. Relax lang, ayos lang.
Chill ba? Coach, give, isa pa. Okay, coach.
MVP ako eh. Diba?
Still a 10-point lead for Level Up Lubao, 64-54.
And look at that, sinasabihan ni CJ si Franz. Franz, okay lang yan. Kasi tinedepensahan siya ng matindi dito sa kabila.
Correct. Grabing bakbakang coach. Kita mo naman, oh. Woo! Woo!
Lendl misses the ball at his hand. It's an opportunity for the MVP.
Wow! Grabe yun! Depensa, opensa, MVP is my name, Ben!
Kaya nga, Boss Ray, sinabi niya, wala na akong dapat pang patunayan. Look at that, it must have been an impossible shot. Look at that, the defense of CJ Delfino. After that rejection for Edmore Dizon, diniretso niya yun on the basket. And look at that, he's against Yuri Masiba.
Grabe, kahit tawakan nyo! Itutuloy ko to, Ben.
12-point lead for Level Up Lubao, 66-54. Timeout on the floor.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga.
Going back to the last 4 minutes and 2 seconds of this ball game, the best of 3 series for Delta Cup 2024 Finals. Ilang linggong maiinit na bakbakan dito sa loob ng hardcourt, Boss Ray and Alvin. Yan ay matutuldukan ngayong gabi.
Nagwawala na ang pass ng Lubao. Konting minuto na lang. Woo! Grabe yun. Siyempre, shout out, Domingo Family, Boss Jake, thank you. Michael Hernane, Eduardo Padilla, Jaynon De Jesus, salamat po.
Taga-saan naman yun, Boss Ray?
USA, siyempre.
Balik na naman tayo sa USA.
Lumipad na ulit tayo.
Lumipad na ulit.
Grabe yung pahabol, Butch Ramos, Coach Dale Singson, at sa wife niya, thank you po sa pagkasikaw sa amin. White House Cares, thank you po. Doc Thomas, Saunar, Popoy Bansali, I love you guys, happy watching.
Alam mo, boss, Dale Singson, naalala ko yan. Iloilo, Megavolts, tapos San Miguel Shell. Grabe, legend.
Grabe, super legend.
Pag legends yung usapan mo, hindi ako makarelate. Sobrang, di ba ako pinapanganak nun?
Si Boss Achit Cao nanonood daw, Ben.
Oo, na-interview ko si Boss Achit Cao.
Yes,
Yung
the
huli ko.
legend.
You know, that was my last time to do a courtside reporting job.
Grabe.
On the finals of our Lakas 40, where Interrex's Firewall was held
Siyempre,
as the champion.
Coach, yung mahal na mahal mo, Enzo Galarosa, at ang pamilya niya, nanonood.
Pa-shoutout daw. Enzo, I know you miss this kind of environment, but this is your time to spend. This is the time to spend your precious time with your lola, no? Dahil birthday nga ng lola niya, Boss
Yes,
Ray.
grabe. May tour sa USA si Luke Mijares. Sabi ni Boss Michael Hernane, ibang klase.
Ibang klase ka talaga, Boss Ray. Nasa US na naman yung mga binabati natin ngayon.
Yun ang nakaka-proud. Nanonood lahat sila. Kaya sigurado, happy si Governor Pineda.
Kita mo yun? Yung parang, yung pagsayo nito ni CJ Delfino, eh, no? Ang hirap mong bantayan, eh.
Sabi ni Tisoy Perion, pag siya daw ang bantay, kaya-kaya ni Beta.
Alam mo ako, si CJ Delfino, pag yan ang kalaban mo, ano lagi yan eh? Dapat kung saan siya pupunta eh. Pero yun nga eh, mahirap nang hanapin. Mahirap puntahan kung saan nga pupunta yan si CJ Delfino.
Grabe, nanonood din ang small group, PA 2K23. Coach,
happy watching.
Grabe. Woo! Ang daming nanonood, Ben. Ang tibay ng Delta Cup natin.
You know, Boss Ray, it has been a history for Philippine basketball, no? If I am not mistaken, kumpara mo naman itong intertown na to, itong intermunicipalities and cities basketball to other of the professional leagues in the country. Tapos ganito kadami yung nanonood, you know? This is a history for Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Well, yeah, you are right. Isipin mo, ang dami ng nating mga liga na napuntahan. Si Boss Ray, marami na rin liga na napuntahan. Ako, marami na napuntahan liga. But this league of your Delta Cup is very much different because of the all-out support of all the Kapampangans.
Ika nga ni Boss Jun, J Project, ibang klase daw sa Tagum, Mindanao. Inoper niya yung mga laro doon, saka dito, grabe daw sa Pampanga.
Grabe naman talaga eh. Mga 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. 68-56, still a 12-point lead for Level Up Lubao.
And now the question will go back dito. How much could have an ice dancing been dito sa kumpara ng Apalit in this kind of a game? We are talking about 2-0 sila without Isaac Danting against Lubao. But this one is a very much different scenario. All out na dapat to, but you miss one of your scorers in Isaac Danting.
Ang laking bagay ng bata na yun. Kung nandito siya sa loob ng naglalaro ngayon, iba ang makikita mo sa Apalit.
But you know, sabi nga ni Coach Zaldi kanina dun sa report ng ating ni MJ, nanalo sila ng elimination, nanalo sila ng semifinals nang wala ang isang Isaac Danting. Kaya na lang manalo nang wala ang isang Isaac Danting. But let's take a look kung kaya talagang patunayan that no Isaac Danting still winnable. Dahil lamang na dito ng 14 ang Level Up Lubao with 48 seconds remaining.
And just to give an insight, sa panalo ng Lubao kontra dito sa Apalit, they limited itong kapanan ng Apalit to only 55 points. Right now, it's only 56 points for Apalit. So nandun sa record yan. But in game number 2 that they won the matchup, they scored 71 points. So depensa ang naging susi dito para makuha nitong Lubao ang panalo na to and that championship.
And look at that. The emotions have been pouring out already for the side of Level Up Lubao. Dahil nga, Boss Ray and Alvin, this is a history for the municipality of Lubao. This is the first ever championship game na nanalo at nakapag-uwi ang Lubao ng championship nang wala si Coach Alan Trinidad. You know, 7 championship title for Coach Alan Trinidad, ha?
Grabe, saludo tayo talaga sa ginawa ng Lubao ngayon. Saludo tayo sa ginawa ni Governor Delta Pineda para sa buong mga Kapampangan. Woo! Grabe, Coach!
And this is how you celebrate a very successful Delta Cup with a championship celebration para dito sa isang koponan. And right now, it is Lubao winning the title.
Woo! Wala na akong masabi, Coach. Grabe yung ginawa ng parehas sa team. Parehas champion sa paningin ko. Pero lumutang ang ginawa ni Mr. MVP. CJ Delfino.
But of course, wag din natin kalimutang pasalamatan ang bumuo nito sa Apalit I Love It, of course, headed by Mayor Jun Tetamco. Mayor, of course, itong municipal admin ng Apalit Pampanga, Admin Secretary Glenn Dantings, Head Coach of Apalit I Love It, Zaldi Messina, assisted by Edgar Pingol, Per Martinier, Robert Pereira, and Romelo Chenko, and to the rest of the players of Apalit I Love It basketball team. Dahil dyan, still a good credit, Mayor Esme Pineda and Vice Mayor Zay Montemayor of Lubao, Pampanga. Grabe! Look at now, the emotions poured out by all of the people, all of the players na naghihirap para makuha ang kampyonato na ito sa first ever Delta Cup 2024. And let's not forget, Mayor Jun Tetamco and Mayor Esme Pineda is a very good friend.
Good sport for both mayors there. And it is now time to level up Lubao. Ayan na nga, sa kanila na ang titulo.
Hindi ko na malaman kung ano sasabihin ko sa ginawa ng Lubao, Coach.
And of course, let's congratulate etong si Coach James Allen de la Peña, no? He has been so good sa pag-aalaga sa mga players niya, sa pag-lead sa mga to on this championship game. Grabe, Coach James Allen de la Peña, make history for the municipality of Lubao. Siya na ba ang susunod na Coach Alan Trinidad ng Lubao, Pampanga? You know, siya ang kauna-unahang coach na nakapag-uwi ng kampyonato sa Lubao nang hindi niya kasama si Coach Alan Trinidad.
Yes, and yun na nga, importante to para sa municipality ng Lubao. This is another chapter in their basketball history.
Sobrang history to. Grabe yung ginawa ni Governor Delta Pineda. Gov, maraming salamat. Pinatunayan mo sa buong Pilipinas na karapat-dapat na gayahin ang ginagawa mo na pagmamahal sa pagbabasketball ng mga batang Pilipino kahit saang lugar sa Pilipinas. Kaya yung mga taga-ibang bansa dyan na alam ko nanonood ngayon, sumusubaybay ngayon, ang sarap gayahin ang ginagawa ni Governor Delta Pineda.
Of course, our final score is 70-56 para dito sa ating Game 3 ng ating Best of 3 series nitong ating Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Of course, we would like to take this opportunity to greet everyone, to greet every mayor from different cities and municipalities, the 21 teams who joined this Delta Cup 2024. Of course, this would not be possible without the support of the different officials nitong ating mga 21 teams na nandito. And of course, we would like to thank this opportunity to thank the provincial government of the province of Pampanga dahil hindi posible ito sa kanila without the guidance of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, dahil ngayon kasama niya na si CJ Delfino, ang ating best player of the game. MJ, take it away.
No, I am with the best player of the game from Lubao, Pampanga, CJ Delfino, with 23 points, 3 rebounds, and 6 assists. Now, first of all, congratulations, CJ, at sa team mo. Now, kanina sabi mo sa akin, hindi mo ipapakita yung character ng isang Tasmanian Devil at yung pinakita mo ngayon ang tunay na isang CJ Delfino. Gaano ka ba ka-determine at nakatulong ba yung pagiging season sa MVP mo at ngayon ikaw pa yung finals MVP?
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Mayora sa mga suporta niya sa amin at sa mga taga-Lubao na sumusuporta sa amin at saka yung anak ko, tsaka yung asawa ko, tsaka yung mga pamilya ko. Yun lang.
At ngayon nga, nagbunga lahat ng pinaghirapan nyo all throughout the season. At pangako mo sa mga Lubeños na magcha-champion kayo at ngayon nangyari na. Ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa kanila? Lahat ng gusto mong pasalamatan na sumusuporta lahat sa Lubao, Pampanga.
Karen pong taga-Lubao, magpasalamat ko po kayo karen suporta yung binyege kami. Sana po wala po sa suporta binyege kami.
Now, once again, that is CJ Delfino of Lubao, Pampanga.
Thank you so much, MJ, and thank you so much, of course, to CJ Delfino, our best player of the game, the season's MVP, and the finals MVP, once again, 70-56. Level Up Lubao is your newly crowned champions of the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament Delta Cup 2024 for Alvin Cañada, Boss Ray Alaw, MJ Raimundo, Francine Capile, this is Penelope Wilhelmina, and to all of the people who, and on behalf of Direk Nomars, of Direk Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Ramonito Roa, and of all of the people who work here. But before anything else, pumunta muna tayo dito sa ating awarding ceremony. But now I'm turning it over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid, for awarding of our championship and to all the runner-ups.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the awarding ceremonies of the Delta Cup 2023. We request to please clear the court. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to present the award for the awardees, we call on Mayor Nagit, Philip Nagit of the Minalin, Commissioner Leo Isaac, our tournament commissioner, and Governor Dennis Delta Pineda at the center of the court to present the award for the fourth placer, third placer, and second and champion. We request also Mayor Philip Nagit And the center of the court,
Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls,
Once again, 11 up Lubao taking home the title of your Delta Cup 2024, 70-56 kontra Apalit. I love it, and we are just awaiting the awarding ceremonies for this matchup. But ito ba, mabalik muna tayo dito, Boss Ray. It has been a terrific season for the Delta Cup. Kanina pinag-uusapan natin yung successful na yung utak talaga nito ay si Governor Delta Pineda. Pero hindi lang to for the sport, but it's for the unity of the entirety of the province of Pampanga.
Yes, Coach, tama ka doon. Actually, Coach, lahat ng mayor, lahat ng barangay captain, talaga nagkaisa sila para matapos ng maayos ang liga na to. Para sa buong Kapampangan, Pampanga, kasi manunood buong Pilipinas, hindi lang buong Pilipinas, Coach, mga taga-ibang bansa. Kaya nakakatawa, Coach. Kaya na ngayon, yung awarding natin na mangyayari.
And now let's go back to Ram Valley for the awarding ceremonies of the four placers natin dito sa Delta Cup.
pesos from the provincial government, of Pampanga through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Medallion All-Stars. Congratulations, Steve Allen. And our third place, your Florida Blanca. Third place will receive 75,000 pesos from the provincial government of Pampanga through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
And yun na nga, na-award na natin yung ating third and fourth placers. Minalin taking home the fourth placers, and itong third placers natin is itong Florida Blanca. So ito yung dalawang koponan na naglaro kahapon before game number 2, and Florida Blanca took home the third placers.
Wala kang masasabi sa mga team ng buong Kapampangan. Bakit lahat from elimination hanggang ngayon, lahat pukpukan eh. Kasi nung every time na pupunta ako dito, manonood kami La Commissioner Rodi Santos, kasama yung mga official natin sa Sinitiga Asia. Talagang may kita mo, sila parang, hindi mo na tayo magkakaibigan, hindi mo na tayo pare-pares Kapampangan ngayon. Kung magka war to para sa trophy na paglalabanan nila. Pero talagang ganon. Lahat magagaling, lahat ng team magaganda, maayos, lahat ng mayor, nagtulong-tulong para sa ikauunlad ng buong Kapampangan dito sa Pampanga. Siyempre dahil kay Governor Delta Pineda.
Yes.
Ngayon, kung makikita mo, ang napunta, walang iba kundi sa Lubao.
Yes, and you see here some of our highlights of the kanina yung finals natin. Kent Montalvo tried his best to lift up itong palit. I love it, but this guy was really special. Our season MVP, CJ Delfino, played well. And itong si Yuri Masibak, yes, he did not score a lot of points, but his defensive stop on Franz de la Cruz was superb also all game long. Pero still, yung puso nitong koponan niyang Level Up Lubao, yun yung nagpakita dito. As you see there, that's a big block by CJ Delfino, leading to a finish there. At yun na yung nagpatapos dito nung laro na yun. That block and that layup, and that is how passionate. And sabi na nga nitong Level Up Lubao, finally, it's over, and they are very much happy. And syempre yung kanilang Mayor Pineda, very much happy for her boys na, actually hindi na boys for her young men na growing up here. And syempre the brainchild of everything here, you see there, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, dyan si Coach Alan Trinidad, and syempre our chairman, Mr. Rocky Chat.
Sumisigaw, Coach, bonus. Bali wala kay Mayora yan, Pineda.
And syempre,
dahil nakita naman niya na pinaghirapan ng mga bata niya yan. Kahit ako, ang nasa kalagayan ni Mayora, why not, Coach? Diba? Yung mga bata ko, ilalabas ko yan, bigyan ko ng magandang bonus. Dahil yung pinaghirapan nila, Coach, hindi biro.
Puso sa puso yan Yan yung pinakita nila dito. And you can see here that syempre hindi pa naman nagtatapos sa Delta Cup dito. Dahil for sure, pinaplano na ni Governor Delta ang susunod na Delta Cup.
Actually, Coach, nag-meeting na kami. Ang maganda dyan, every year na.
Yun.
Every year na tayo na magkapatakbo ng Governor Delta Pineda Cup. Especially mga mayor, nag-agree sila, yung mga kapitan, dahil nakita nila na, alam mo yung Coach, eto, ibang hahawak, Sinaliga Asia. Kasi ang gusto ni Gov Pineda, na makita ng mga mayors, mga kapitan, ng iba-ibang city or province niya na wala akong kakampiyan sa inyo. Etong labanan na to, labanan ng trophy to para sa Pampanga. Hindi pwedeng ituturo ko itong maging champion, ito gusto ko.
Yes.
Ayun ang kaganda kay Governor Pineda. To be honest, coach, nung nag-meeting kami, unang-una pa lang, sabi niya sa amin, gusto ko gandahan niyo yung appreciating, gusto ko gandahan niyo lahat. Ayokong may masasabi ang kapwa ko Kapampangan. Gusto ko ipakita sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo kung anong meron ang Pampanga.
Ayan na, lumapit na si Governor Dennis Delta Pineda at center court, and it will now be the awarding ceremonies of our first runners-up and our champions. Let's go back to Ram Valley.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, to award the second place, we call on board member Mylene Pineda Kayabyab and Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. The second place will be taking home and will receive 150,000 pesos. And of course, Coach Leo Isaac, the tournament commissioner. Ladies and gentlemen, our second place, your Apali Thai Lover. Congratulations, our second place, Apali Thai Lover. And to present the award, to present the award for the champion, once again we call on board member Mylene Pineda Kayabyab, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and the tournament commissioner Mr. Leo Isaac, together with Balti Baltasar and Mayor Philip Nugget. The champion will be receiving 300,000 pesos from the provincial government of Pampanga through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and additional 300,000 pesos from Sir Rodolfo Pineda. Ladies and gentlemen, the champion of the 2023 Governor Dennis Delta Pineda Cup, your Level Up Lubao! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the champion of the 2023 Governor Dennis Delta Pineda Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, your Level Up Lubao! And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's have the awarding ceremony for the best coach of the year for the 2023 Governor Dennis Delta Pineda Cup. Our best coach will receive 20,000 pesos cash from the government, provincial government of Pampanga through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Our best coach is Coach James De La Peña.
And of course, we would like to call the presence of Mayor Esme Pineda of Lubao, Pampanga to give his message to all of the people who supported Level Up Lubao. Once again, the ever-supportive Mayor of Lubao, Pampanga, Mayor Esme Pineda. Mayor, first of all, congratulations. This has been our mga chikahan natin sa interview ko sa'yo. And now, finally, the championship title is back to Lubao, Pampanga, and it's all because of your unending support to Level Up Lubao. Now, Mayor, I will give you the chance to give your message not only to your team Level Up Lubao, but to whole the province of Pampanga.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Gov Delta dahil dito sa tournament na First Delta Cup. Siyempre kung wala to, hindi rin naman lalabas ang galing ng mga Kapampangan. At nagpapasalamat din po ako sa lahat ng mga Kapampangan na tupangkilik dito sa Delta Cup. At syempre po, ng aking best friend na si Mayor Jun Tetangco ng Apalit, congratulations din pati sa mga player. The fact na umabot tayo pareho dito sa finals, napakalaking bagay at naghirap pareho ang mga players natin. Kaya walang dapat malungkot. Diba, pareho tayong panalo. Nagmamahala ng Apalit at Lubao, kaya pareho pa rin tayong champion. At sa mga players ng Level Up Lubao at sa mga minamahal kong Lubeño, para sa inyo tong panalo na to! Congratulations po! Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Mayor. And once again, congratulations.
Siyempre sa Sinag Liga, maraming salamat po, Commissioner Leo Isahak, at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Sinag Liga. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. At ito naman dito, Mayor, once again, congratulations. We are once again the ever-supportive Mayor of Lubao, Pampanga, Mayor S.V. Pineda. Beside me is the season's MVP, CJ Delfino, and the best coach of the first ever Delta Cup 2024, Coach James Allen de la Peña. Once again, your champion for the first ever Delta Cup 2024 is your Level Up Lubao. Pero dahil dyan, Coach, pumunta naman dito tayo sa aking kaliwa. The man of the hour, the first ever coach outside the Coach Allen Trinidad era. Ang kauna-unahang coach na nagdala ulit ng championship sa Lubao. Coach, how are you feeling right now?
Siyempre, masaya kami. Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon. Kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, kay Mayor S.V. Pineda, kay Vice Mayor, kay Boss Marty, Boss Bert Binuya, at sa lahat lang. Maraming salamat po! Ikwata ng champion!
Once again, that Coach James Allen de la Peña, the head coach and the man behind the championship title of Level Up Lubao. And isa pa ate, itong ating coach of the year.
Oy, son!
A lot of emotion. Once again, congratulations. And the champion, once again, para dito sa ating Delta Cup 2024 is your Level Up Lubao.
And that ends our awarding ceremonies for your 2023-2024 Delta Cup. And it has been an exciting one. And napakasayang makatrabaho ang mga kasama natin dito. Pero syempre, I will give my personal special thanks syempre kay Sir Ray Alaw, the president of Sinag Liga Asia, for bringing us a very fine coverage, and syempre lahat dito, yung officiating lahat dito for the entirety of this Delta Cup, Sir Ray.
Grabe. Alam mo yun, sobrang tense nung game. Nakakabigla. Biro mo sa mga ganung edad nila, parang professional yung pinununod natin. Kaya saludo ako sa Mayor ng Apalit, Mayor ng Lubao, lalo-lalo na kay Governor Delta Pineda, sa pinakita nila sa buong mundo na ganito na laro. Di ba? Nakakatuwa kasi hindi natin ni-expect na yun ang ipapakita nila. Ang daming tao, ang daming napasaya, hindi lang Pampanga buong mundo. Kaya galing sa Sinag Liga Asia Management, sa lahat ng staff, direct, lahat ng mga direktor, lahat ng mga referee, lahat ng mga official table, lahat ng staff ng Sinag Liga Asia, kay Commissioner Rodi Santos, Coach Leo Isaac, Chairman Rocky Chan, siyempre sa wife ko, kay Mariel, kay Ma'am Janice, kay Nanay Loida, kay Mark Carago, kay Ninong Dennis Bina Ignacio, kay Boss Irvin Bernardo. Grabe yung pinakita ng Sinag Liga Asia para sa Delta Cup. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako. Lord, thank you po sa blessing na binigay niyo sa amin lahat, lalo-lalo sa mga player. So yun, ang masasabi ko lang, congratulations sa lahat ng Kapampangan dito sa Pampanga.
And,
Coach, thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. And for all the hardworking men and women of your Delta Cup, my name is Alvin Tañada. And we'll see you in the next edition of the Delta Cup here. And this has been a SLA Sports Production presentation. Good night, mga Kapampangan.